I'm 19 years old. I'm in college right now. I've got $1,000 in the bank account. I've got $8,000 in my Roth IRA, but I can't use it as collateral. I'm wondering, so in the next year, I'll be working. I'll probably make 20 grand within the next 12 months. I'm wondering what can I do with $10,000 to $20,000 to get started in real estate, or just to have a good start to make more money to then get into real estate. I'd like to get into something significant that cash flows a decent amount.
Yeah, I mean, the first thing we got to figure out how to do is go from 20K of income to more. Don't bother trying to buy real estate and get your income
college,
off that.
right?
Yeah, I'm in college.
Listen, I didn't go to college, okay? So, but, if you're in college, that's important because you're setting yourself up. I hope you're studying something you like and something you plan on going into, right?
Yeah, I'm going for civil engineering.
Very good. That's great. That's perfect with real estate.
That's
So you're on the right track.
Yeah.
Right now, you need to focus on college.
Yeah.
I mean, Kevin, has had the same idea I've been telling people. If you're in college, where do you live?
No, I live in an apartment.
Live in an apartment. You paying rent?
I do. I pay $700 a month right now.
Is it your own apartment or do you share the apartment?
I share it with 3 other people.
There you go.
But they each pay $700 too.
Right now, focus on college, get your engineering degree. That's a ticket to help you in real estate, and then get your career going, because your career is something you're always going to be able to fall back on. And then you do real estate next on the side. But if you're going to invest all these years in college to be an engineer, that's what you need to focus on. That should be your long-term goal, and get it done, get established, then worry about real estate later. In the meantime, sock away every dime you can.
Yeah, and another thing too is if you're going to college for 4 years and then you get a job coming out of college, you can qualify as if you've already got 2 years of work experience. You get a job right away and say civil engineering right out of college. So that's an opportunity. What I like doing during college though was honestly get your real estate license and start trying to sell some real estate, because you pop a deal or two, that's 10K every time potentially, and that's an easy side hustle during college.
He's right. He's 100% right. If you go and get your license and you're real hustler type and you can handle your studies and you can be out there on the weekends or at night showing places or helping people buy houses or whatever way to make an extra income, it's a license to make money.
License to make money. I like that. When I was in college, the thing that I loved so much is I would tell my clients, oh, this week I have appointments Tuesday and Thursday, but I could help you on Monday, Wednesday, or whatever. They didn't know that that's when I had classes. They didn't know what my appointments are, and they don't need to know. My appointments could be visiting Ben or going to the spa or going to the spa with Ben.
Well, we're going to talk later about your deep issues that you have, but that's all right. Anyway, yeah, that's it. I mean, focus on your career and get that stable, because then you can always fall back on that in life. All right.